Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today, and welcome to our third look using the Boss Mood palette this month. And I'm just loving this palette. So we've done green, purple, now we're at orange, and I can already tell you a sneak peek, I'm doing a berry toned look as well, and we're gonna keep going as long as I am loving this palette. And as always, we're going to start by priming our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer. We're going to go in with the Boss Mood palette and dip into Fired Up. And this is just a matte orange shade. And we're going to buff that in our crease area. I have a fluffy crease brush here, and I am just placing it in the crease area, transition area, and we're going to just really build that shade up. We're going to go over it at least twice and just build it up. We want it to be very strong, even though a little bit of this shade will be peeking through, but it's all a process. You know, we're all working towards the finished product of the look and how it looks. So next up, we're taking Sparks Fly, and this is a matte chocolate brown, and I'm taking this on a pencil crease style brush. It's really dense, it's not fluffy, and we're using this for our color placement. And I like to explain the brushes we're using to you so you can understand which ones do what and which are going to help along the process and help applying the shadow best, if that makes sense. So next up, we're using Bright Eyes, and this is a shimmery orange. It's slightly lighter than Fired Up, and this shade is so beautiful, and this kind of is the shade that inspired me to do this look. The other day I did almost the same exact look, you guys, and I used red carpet in the crease, so that made it a totally different look, just so you know. And so beautiful. So we're just placing that on the lid, and then we're going to go back in with Sparks Fly, deepen the outer corner up, and then I'm also going to blend around the edges with the Fired Up shade. And yes, we're just blending and blending, and there basically is the eye, you know. And we're using the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter, and I'm going to apply that under the brow, and I'm going to blend it down against the edges of the look to help soften them. And you will see us go back in with the Fired Up brush that we were using and blend the Fired Up shade in the crease with the brow bone highlight. I always like doing this. I feel like it gives me a better transition, a better fade between the brow bone and the crease color. So this is called Light of the Party, and I'm just popping this in the inner corner using that flat shader brush that I used for the lid and blending it just slightly into the crease. I'm just bringing some light there, cleaning some gunk out of my eye. We're also going to be bringing Fired Up to our lower lash line, and we're going to be adding a little bit of Sparks Fly as well, just to deepen the lower lash line up, but and it's going to be really close to the waterline, you'll see. And I'm just going to build that up just slightly, just to deepen it, like I said, and the beautiful Fired Up shade to blend those edges down as well, and you get this really nice ombre, really well blended effect on your lower lash line as well. And here's the Jordana 12-hour pencil, and I also want to say that for lack of a better name for this look, I did call it Smokey, even though I don't completely consider this a smoky look, but I just thought that it would be fun to keep all the looks named similar names, but just different colors. So LaColors liquid eyeliner, and this is the Supersizer mascara from Covergirl. And for lips, I did a nude lip, but you can do any lip you want. I mean, do orange if you want. Do whatever suits you, you know. I think a brown or even a burnt orange lip would look really beautiful with this as well. And we're using Believe Beauty setting spray to set our makeup in place and make it last all day. So there's our finished look, and I decided to wear my hair down today. So yes, and once again, look at them green eyes pop, because this shade is almost is the next shade to red, so it really complements green eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more. Check the description box for a list of products as well as other links. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.